Hi everyone, I'm Monica. In this video, I'm going to show you how I turned a finished script into a branded Canva slide deck in just under 2 minutes using Claude Code. If you haven't connected your Canva with Claude, I had another video and I'll drop the link right there. No tab switching, no formatting slides one by one anymore. Let's get started. In the past, my workflow would be writing the script and then open Canva separately, start a new presentation, copy the main points from your script, and remembering to use the right font, the right colors. But this time, I asked Claude this question. I wanted to create a slide deck as my visual aid. Can you help me create that, or should I use the desktop option? Claude gave me really good suggestions that right here, I can have Canva connected and can kick off a deck. It even gave me this best approach sheet. For all these options, I can choose to do it right here and drive the connection. The Claude Code plus Canva MCP here is what's happening behind the scene and get that deck created using my own Canva brand kit. Once I told Claude to do it here and use my Canva brand kit, you can see that Claude didn't even ask where to find my brand kit because it's already connecting Canva with Claude Code. And that's it, right? Claude does the rest. It finds the brand kit, builds the outline, and shows it to you before generating anything. So review the outline right here. This is the part I like the most because you get to see how that is being built. Claude shows you every slide, the title, and the bullet point, and you can change anything there. And in this case, I like it as it is, so I clicked on Generate the Deck. You approved it before a single pixel is rendered. Now, we get it generated. I kept having Claude Code to ask me permission because I still wanted to have the guardrail when it comes to calling Canva and do each one of the steps based on my prompt. Right there, you see that this is done. I could just open up the link there to see the Canva presentation and make changes right within Canva, or keep using Claude to change, make edit as needed. But before we do that, let's do a quick recap. Step 1. You need to set up the Canva connection with Claude. You could either do that as an MCP connection in Claude Code, or you could just add that as a connector in the Claude user interface. So once that setup is done, it's always available. I'll link a quick setup guide in the description. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes. Step 2, you need to have your script or any of that structured content ready. It doesn't have to be a full script. It could be an outline of what you're trying to create or a list of talking points. That works too. And Claude just needs something to build from. Then step 3, ask Claude to create a slide deck. Mention that you wanted to use your Canva brand kit, and that's it. Claude does the rest. It will find your brand kit, build the outline. It might ask you a couple questions to select styles, but eventually it will show you before they begin to generate anything. Then definitely review your outline as step 4, and then get it generated by having one confirmation. The deck would appear in your Canva account with a direct link. Done.